I'm Smithy, there is my Contiki, and we're going to fly the drone. We're going to take off from this table and land on this table. So what I'm going to do, because we flew here a while ago, didn't we? A couple of weeks ago. See if it looks different now. Anyway, we'll fly around, I'll put some music to it, and then I'll land it back on this table. Why is that not on? Oh, it is. Right, connect to aircraft. Select aircraft. Mavic Mini, obviously. I've done all that. Connect to aircraft. That's why we're not connecting. Right. Connect to aircraft. Oh, it's done it. Transfer files, yeah. Preparing to take off. We need some satellites, don't we? Compass calibration required. Calibrate, start. Rotate aircraft, right, rotate vertically. I've only had to do this once when I first bought it, I haven't had to do it before. Right, it's calibrated now, so it knows where it is. Takeoff permitted, record. Takeoff.
Has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Right, I'll turn you off and I'll put you back on when he's coming back. Right, let's land it on the table for you. We'll go up a bit. You see that on camera? Go down a bit. Forward a bit.
Landing.
How's that? My hands are freezing. Right, let's get it all turned off. I'll go in and get my brew. This folds up nice and neat. How's that little thing? Go to my van. You can see how cold it is, look. That's the table I flew from. You've got to watch them trees, you've got to go across and then up. Anyway, let's get in here. Oh. Absolutely freezing. Oh, I have gloves, but you can't put gloves on and work the controls. Absolutely freezing. So I just wanted to show you taking off from a table, landing on the table, and why is it not turning off? Right, that's better. Where's my case? Right, so that goes in there. Aircraft nicely in there. This car park's filling up. Oh, there we go. So we've had a bit of flying, haven't we? I enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed it. That's the Mavic Mini. They brought a Mavic Mini 2 out, but that Mavic Mini for me is doing exactly what I want it to do. So there was a bit of a strong wind warning when I got up there. I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm Smithy. That was my Contiki drone, should we call it. This is a Contiki. Stay safe, be lucky, and hey, I'm going to see you soon.